It's a crazy seller's market, so let me ask you a question. Does that mean that we as agents should just sell homes right away and use mediocre, outdated marketing techniques? No, it can cost you thousands of dollars if you make that mistake. So if you're thinking about selling your home or you know someone who is, well, you've got to see and share this video. Hi everyone, I'm Ms. Maggie, Realtor with XP Realty, and this is your video number 3 of our Selling Tips and Tricks series. I want to talk about a few essential errors I see most sellers making that results in much lower profit margins and doesn't allow them to maximize the amount of money that they could be making when selling their home. I know it can be so stressful because who do you trust and who should you listen to? Well, after assisting dozens of Central PA residents just like you, I totally get it. So let me be your guide. The most crucial element when selling your home is ensuring you get maximum exposure. We need to make sure that we expose your house to digital marketing to the masses and not just a few. Most likely, you are actually watching this video right now through a detailed target market ad. When I'm actually pixeling you and making sure that I'm exposing you to it and that you're seeing it. Think about it, the last time you Googled something and then all of a sudden, everywhere you went online, that thing just kept following you and showing up all over your feed. Well, that's sort of what I do when buyers exhibit certain behaviors. You see, if you just take Facebook for example, Facebook's algorithm can match their behavior to other people in the past who has purchased a home and then tag them as an audience that may want to purchase again. And then boom, I can actually start following them online and put the homes that I am selling right in front of these people. It's quite ingenious actually. A little bit scary too if you think about it. I guess you can kind of call me a certified stalker, but not the creepy kind, don't worry. But the kind that will get you massive exposure for your home when you're selling. It's all done through a detailed digital marketing strategy that's taken me so much time, effort, energy to learn, navigate, and specialize in. And yes, this is important even in a strong seller's market, like we're seeing today. I mean, ask yourself this question. If by potentially taking an offer too soon or not exposing your home to every buyer possible could end up costing you $10,000 or even $15,000, would it make sense to make sure you get exposed to everyone? Of course you would. That would be the difference between maybe paying your kids' college or paying off that lingering credit card. So we both agree exposure is everything. Actually, on average, video ads have 12,000 views and hundreds of hours watched for all listings. That's a lot of views. Just imagine how many open houses I would have to do to get that type of exposure. It's quite a bit of Sundays. Not to mention, with everything we have going on, you don't want unqualified people just walking through your house, touching all your stuff. And here's the crazy thing. According to the National Association of Realtors, 67% of buyers will actually walk through a home that they have seen online. So imagine the power of having hundreds of hours of view time from buyers who are actually looking to purchase and getting thousands and thousands of views. It's powerful, isn't it? So exposure is everything. There's so much more to consider when selling, and yes, even in a seller's market, you still want to do anything and everything you can to maximize your investment. This is the end of this video series, but I still have tons of tips to share with you, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and like my page so you can receive some notifications and continue to receive great tips from selling your home. Otherwise, I would just have to cyberstalk you again. It's Maggie Realtor here. Please reach out to me so I can guide you through the sale from where the sign goes on your loan, from where I expose your home online to thousands of people, all the way until I hand over the keys to the new buyer and help you place you into your new home. I am here to help you, looking forward to hearing from you, and as always, make it a great home selling and buying day.